Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to download and install VS Code on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now to download and install VS Code on your PC, you need to open up your web browser and then you need to go to this web page. And I'll also have this web page linked in my written guide, which will be the first link in this video's description, so you can also go ahead and get it from there. But once you're on this web page, you'll see this button that says download for Windows. And if you click on this little drop down arrow next to it, you can also download this for other operating systems. I'm using Windows, so I'll just go ahead and click on download for Windows. The download should start automatically. If it doesn't start automatically, you can just go ahead and click on this button that says direct download link, and that'll download the VS Code installation exe file to your computer. And once it's finished, you can just go ahead and click on open file. Then the VS Code setup wizard will launch, and on this first screen, you can go ahead and accept the agreement, then click on next. On the next screen, if you want to change the location where VS Code is installed to on your computer, you can go ahead and click on Browse and select a different location. I'm just going to leave it on the default and then click on Next. On the next screen where it prompts you to select the Start menu folder, I'll just leave that on the default and click on Next. And here you have some additional options. I recommend that you check all of these options and then click on Next. And then finally, you'll be ready to install, and you can just go ahead and click on install, and then the VS Code installation will start, and you'll just need to wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you'll see the screen that says it's completed, and you can just go ahead and make sure that this checkbox is selected to launch Visual Studio Code, and then click on finish. And then VS Code will launch on your computer, and you'll be taken through some basic first setup prompts, like choosing a theme, for example. And once you've done all of that, you can go ahead and start using VS Code on your computer. I do hope this guide helped you out. Please like the video and watch any of my other helpful guides on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.